Hi guys, welcome back to the Captain Fishbeard YouTube channel. I'm Tom Sparke. In the video you're about to see, I draw with my non-dominant hand. So for me, that is my left hand. So I always draw with my right hand. I don't remember ever drawing with my left hand before. And frankly, it doesn't go that well, which is a little bit depressing. No, it's fine. Take a look for yourself. I'm only human. I'm not a robot. Not a robot. Not a robot. Not robot.
So, not a robot. That's my right hand. Perfect for drawing with. I don't see there's any need for any improvement on that hand. It's a decent hand for doing a drawing. There you go. It's the beginnings of a Fishbeard. It's got the eyes, the eyebrows, and obviously a beard. That's how one draws normally. There we go. There's his hat. It's a fine Fishbeard. You know, average. Now, left hand. You'll notice the process is a lot slower initially. The lines are all over the place. There's an amazing feeling of lack of control when you're doing this with your wrong hand. I do encourage you to try it. It's a very odd feeling. Yeah, it's a lot slower. See that? Those lines are all wrong. And then that's much too wide. No, look at those curves. They're disgraceful. Mouth in the wrong kind of place. Too big. Do some tests. Not bad. Not bad. Oh look. Oh dear. All I've gone over the shop there. That's not ideal. Really trying my hardest to get some detail into the Fishbeard. It looks like it's gone very wrong, doesn't it? Either way, I'm attempting the rest of the body, so a bit more ambitious. Well, that's not too bad. It's gone okay, that bit. And okay, yeah, that's really not done well at all. It looks like he's been through the wash a few times, doesn't he? He's come out all raggedy. Yeah, that's a very odd Fishbeard. Possibly the scariest one I've ever drawn. And little flourish just to show quite how odd it is. Just did a bit of writing with my left hand as well. Look at that. That's not too different to my actual right hand writing, weirdly enough. Yeah, I am strange. I think that goes without saying. Sign it. Yeah, sign it. J. Yeah. It's supposed to be Tom. Okay, let's leave it there. Try it yourself, draw with the left hand, and send me the results. Cheers. Bye-bye. Just time now to show some of your artwork. This is from Toby, and it's based on the video called Plurals that I did a little while ago, and this is brilliant. Look at the colours on this as well. Mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes. That's a brilliant piece of work. Thank you very much for sending that in, Toby. And this next one is from Emily, who sent this in via Instagram, and it is fantastic. Ahoy there, he is saying. This character here, I love it. It was a great piece of work. Thank you very much, Emily.